Hello everyone, my name is Divyan Srivastav and my cohort name is SE2506AP. Today I am going to explain my resume builder project. This is my Almabetter front-end Capstone project. I have uploaded my complete project code on GitHub. This is my GitHub repository and here I have added my project files, readme files, and complete project structure. In this project, I have used React.js, Material UI, Redux Toolkit, React Router DOM, React Hook, Form, JS PDF, and Wait. The main purpose of my project is to make resume creation simple and easy. I have deployed the project through the Vercel.com. I have also mentioned the link of the project live link in my README file. This is project live link. Now I will open my live project from Vercel and show you the complete working of my application. This is my home page. On the top of web page, we have navigation bar with the Almabetter logo on one side and the link to the pages such as resume templates, my resume, about us. Here I have added four different resume templates. I can select any template according to my choice. I will select this template. Now I am on the personal info page. Here I can enter my personal details. First, I will select profile picture. Now I will enter first name, then I will enter last name, Srivastav. Here I will enter email ID and then I will enter mobile number like random number. Here I will enter address. Then I will enter city, Bhopal, state, MP. Then I will enter postal code. Before going to next step, I will also show the form validation. I will leave this required field empty and click on next button. As you can see, I am getting a validation message. So I need to enter the required information before moving to next step. Now here I will remove at the rate from email address. As you can see, I am getting validation message, enter a valid email. Now I will enter valid email address. The validation message is removed. Now I can click next button. Now I will click the next button to go to the next page. This is my work experience page. Here I can add my work experience. Entries 1 experience 1. Company name I will enter company name TCS and job title is full stack developer. Then select start year 2025. Select end year present. Here add new button. So I can add multiple work experience entries. Now I click on add new button. The next entries open experience 2. I will enter company name SCL, then job title is front end developer. Then select start year 2024. Then select end year 2025. Now I will click the next button to go to the next page. This is education details page. Here I can add my education detail. First I will select my education type. Education type is graduation. Then I will enter university name RGPV. Then I will enter degree BTech. Now I will select start year 2020. Then select end year 2024. Now I will click the next button to go to the next page. This is key skills page. Here I can add my skills. I will add HTML, then CSS. Next skill is Java script. Then next skill is React. Here add new button. I can add more skill using add new button. Now I click on add new button. Next skill box is open. I will enter Java. I will add next skill is Python. Now all my information is completed. Click preview button. This is my resume preview. As you can see, all the information that I entered is displayed in my selected resume template. My personal information, objective, work experience, education, skills. This allows me to check my resume before saving. Now my resume is completed, so I will save it. I will enter my resume file name is Divyansh Srivastav. Now I will click on Save button. As you can see, my resume is automatically downloaded as a PDF after saving. This is pop-up resume downloaded successfully. Now I will click on OK. After clicking OK, I am redirected to my resume page. This is my resume page, and here is my saved resume card. Here is the View Resume button. I can use this button to view my saved resume. Here is the Edit Resume button. I can use this button to edit my resume. Here is the Delete Resume button. I can use to delete my saved resume. So I can view, edit, and delete my saved resume from here. Thank you.